Welcome! In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to disable snooze groups on Facebook using your PC. If you've temporarily muted a group and want to start seeing its posts again, follow along. It's quick and easy. First, open Facebook on your PC by navigating to facebook.com and logging into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will reveal additional options. Next, click on Content Preferences. This section allows you to manage what appears in your Facebook feed. Now, locate and click on Snooze. This option will show you a list of all the groups, pages, and profiles that you've snoozed. To make it easier to find specific groups, use the filter option next to the search bar and choose Groups Only. Once filtered, find the group you want to unsnooze. Next to that group's name, you'll see an icon. Click on it. This action will immediately end the snooze for that group. And that's it. You've successfully disabled snooze for the selected group. From now on, posts from that group will start appearing in your feed again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. Thank you for watching, and enjoy reconnecting with your favorite groups on Facebook.